Are you having trouble planning a cheap trip to Japan on a budget? If so, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through 9 tips to crush it and save money on a trip to Japan, coming up. Hello, I'm Christopher C. Odom, your guide to your big trip to Japan. I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people plan your adventurous, meaningful trip to Japan, enjoy the journey of a lifetime, and thrive as a seasoned world traveler. So if you're new here, subscribe to Big Trip to Japan. Most people greatly overestimate what it takes to travel abroad and experience the journey of a lifetime. With these 9 cost-cutting tips to save money on an awesome trip to Japan, you can save money, travel like a boss, and crush it. Number 1. Get a Japan Railways JR Pass. If you are traveling in Japan all over the country, get a discounted foreigner JR Rail Pass, which will allow you to use the JR Rail Company trains in Tokyo and the JR Rail Shinkansen high-speed bullet trains throughout Japan. Just the cost of one round-trip bullet trip train ticket from Tokyo to anywhere in Japan is the same cost as a 1-week JR Pass, which provides unlimited travel on any Japan Railways train plus reserved seating on rapid line trains in Tokyo. Number 2. Take a long-distance JR bus. While the JR Rail Pass does serve all of the tourist routes and attractions, there are still secret treasures unavailable by train. With that same Japan Rail Pass, you can also have access to the entire Japan Railways bus line. A bus does take longer to get to your destination than by air or bullet train, but an overnight spacious deluxe bus ride can save you money by eliminating another night of expenses for a resort, hotel, or hostel overnight stay. Number 3. Walk. When most people conjure up an image of a Japanese person, they conjure up someone slim and fit. Not only do Japanese people maintain great diets, but they also get lots of exercise. People walk. My brother-in-law, who lives in the Akishima area of Tachikawa City, which is part of Japan's Tokyo Prefecture, frequently walks 45 minutes to and from the train station. Although he has a bicycle and a car, that's just normal in Japan. Whether in Tokyo or the countryside, walking presents the opportunity to see Japan in a way that cannot be experienced by vehicle. Number 4. See what's free. There's a lot to do and see in Japan that's absolutely free. Whether it's the Buddhist or Shinto temple, public market, city or national park, there are endless treasures to discover everywhere that do not cost anything. Number 5. Use free guide services. Tokyo, Nara, and other cities offer volunteer tour guides for complimentary trip excursions. Your guide is usually a friendly native wishing to practice their English skills and make new friends. You are only accountable to admission and transportation fees for you and your guide. It's also polite to treat your guide to lunch. Number 6. Browse, don't buy. Whether it be in the otaku, manga, and electronics metropolis of Tokyo's Akihabara, the Solamachi shopping extravaganza in the bottom of the Tokyo Skytree, or the Tsukiji fish market, like a museum the size of an entire country, it's possible to experience an enriching cultural experience in any shopping center just by browsing without buying and only bringing pictures, video, and the memories of a lifetime back home. Take advantage of tax-free shopping. For tourists, many of Japan's biggest outlet stores, like Bic Camera, will waive Japan's 5% sales tax for all purchases over 10,000 yen, which is about $94 US. Also, in the airport terminals, there are duty-free shopping zones that offer no tax on popular food, alcohol, and electronic devices as well. Number 8. Buy cheap gifts. The Japanese 100 yen stores are the equivalent of dollar stores in the US. However, the quality of the 100 yen merchandise is typically much higher than the quality of dollar store merchandise in the US. The 100 yen stores have everything from tableware to food to clothing. In addition to the 100 yen stores, discount chains like Don Quixote also offer other low-cost alternatives for gift shopping. Number 9. Hostels, otherwise known as guest houses in Japan, are very much like a dorm room with common bathrooms, kitchens, laundry, and meeting areas. While in Kyoto, my wife, son, and I stayed at the Tomato Kyoto guest house for about $80 US a night for a private room for the three of us in downtown Kyoto, just a 5 or 10 minute walk from Kyoto Station. For a little bit more, business hotels offer small spaces with complimentary Wi-Fi and a morning meal. Question of the day: what tips and tricks to crush it while traveling on a budget do you have of your own? Post your responses in the comments section below. Save money with a Japan Rail Pass above or in the links in the description below. Watch another great video from the Japan Rail Pass series here or in the description below. Watch another awesome video from Big Trip to Japan here. Now is the time to be something greater.